In the case of Obi Kwankwaso going against TINUBU, I want to sound it today. There is nothing, there is nobody that can take power from TINUBU currently. There is nothing you do, there is no politics you play. That, to be realistic, no politician in Nigeria as of today can take power from TINUBU. Maybe we can talk about next 4 years, you can realign yourself. Because TINUBU has positioned himself in a way that nobody can come against him. They are wasting their time. That's what I feel, because I feel like now they're supposed to start planning how they are going to be part of the government and help the people. But everybody, they're all the same. Whether Kwankwaso and Obi or TINUBU and whoever, they're all the same. Okay. Yeah, they're all the same. So nobody is going to take power from TINUBU. That I know for sure. I might not be supporting the party, but he has played his politics so well, airtight. Okay. Nobody's going to penetrate it.
See how this guy sounded. Some people say, they go call him say, him be bad, he don't shop corn. I don't give a fuck about it, man. If you eat corn or not, man. See. And first of all, there was something he said. Let me make that correction. So you people actually think that Kwankwaso left his NNPP, his almighty NNPP, come to ADC just to be vice president for Peter Obi? What's going on? Somebody say how? Kwankwaso is not in ADC because of Peter Obi. Peter Obi will not contest this election though. He no go get tickets. Except him go not come from ADC, go on another party. You people aware that Peter Obi has never contested primary before. For one number, cutting carry the deal. After that one, he never contest before. PDP time with Atiku, it was Atiku that won that call and say, I can't become. He find him, they give him happy boy, celebrity politician, Davido, take. When he say nobody cannot sit TINUBU, either they talk and like say they play, because TINUBU has played this politics. See, take it or leave it, see it as evil or not. It is politics. TINUBU has played this politics, arranged himself, he has prepared. See, I am part of this APC team, so I know what I'm saying. Like, I don't go see. TINUBU is prepared for this election like it is his first time. Meanwhile, when they play, they think say God go from heaven, come wait for Donald Trump to come help on her. They wait for God go come help on her. Now they play. Even if international community are involved in this election, let me tell you something. They are not coming because of Peter Obi. International community are coming for this election because of their own Democrat and Republican beef. And they are coming for revenge. It has nothing to do with Peter Obi. The number of people in the system that are willing to use him to split on the ballot just to ensure that Peter Obi does not become president are more than, maybe they are not more than the people that are willing to vote for him, but their influence and power in the system to help facilitate that process is bigger than the number of persons that will vote for Peter Obi. This is what people have to know. So TINUBU focus on the system. Why TINUBU, Peter Obi, the content now 1 year, sweet thing. Nobody. Right now like this, as of today, TINUBU does not have a position. As of today, TINUBU does not have a position. I don't know how you want to see it. See that they don't strike it this in a TINUBU does not have a position as of today. You think politics is one small shares game? No, it's power. You are telling that you don't want to take power. You have to take it, go and collect the power, then use it to do whatever you want to do. If you have access to this power and you want to, if you say that you want to use the power to transform the country, use it and transform the country. Do good with it. Do you understand? If you say you want to use this power to do evil, fire down by your time. It's 4 years now. You go finish it, you go. There is only one strategy in order for you to win as well as you in an election. I will drop it in my next video. Stay tuned.